Example number 4. Suppose that the odometer on our car is broken and we want to estimate the distance driven over 30-second time interval. We take the speedometer readings every 5 minutes and record them in the following table. So we are given the table, and I noticed that the time in second, the velocity in mile per hour, so we should convert in the second. So we convert the velocity in feet per second. So we have 25, 31, 35, 43, 47, 45, and 41. Now we look at the time from 0 to 5. So from 0 to 5, we begin from 25 with the velocity at 0, and we will assume that 25 are the time until t equal to 5. That means t equal to 0, the velocity is 25, t equal to 1, the velocity also 25, t equal to 3, 4, and 5, the velocity is still 25. So we will have the velocity is 25 feet per second times 5 seconds, and it's equal to 125 feet. And then we look at the time from t equal to 5 to t equal to 10. So t equal to 5 to t equal to 10, we have this. And we also assume that 31 is the feet per second velocity at 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 until 10. So we will have 31 feet per second times 5 seconds, and is equal to 155 feet. So we continue to do that. So 25 times 5 plus the distance from 5 seconds to 10, which is 31 times 5 plus 35 times 5 plus 43 times 5 plus 47 times 5 plus 45 times 5. And this gives us the answer is 1130 feet. Okay, so let's draw the picture for this to understand this better. So for the time, we have from 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. And for the velocity, we have from 10 all the way to 50. So 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. So this is the velocity. So let's draw the graph of velocity. So we have 0, 25. So we have this point. And then 5, 31. 10, 35. 15, 45, 43. 20, 47. 25, 45. And then 30, 41. Now we connect this point. And what happened is that we have the rectangle with the width is 5 all the time. And the first rectangle we use 25. So we have this. 25 is the height. And then the second rectangle is 31. So we use this point. And then continue. The next one we use 35. And then the next one, we are using 43. '47 and 45. Okay, so you notice that we have some area that is over the graph, and then some is below. So we have some overestimate and some underestimate. Okay, so by looking at this graph, so we can see that we are using the left endpoint, and we are using the velocity, and we skip the last one, which is 41. So I'm gonna call this is the left 6 because we have 6 rectangles. Now what if we use the right side, the right endpoint, so RF6, then that means we will do this. So we use this point, so that is our first rectangle, and then we use this point, our second rectangle from the right, and then the third one will be this point, the next one will be like this, the next one will be like this, so the next one will be like this. So we have 6 rectangles also, and of course we will have some over and underestimate rectangles, and the R6 will be, and we are skipping the 25. Okay, the left side we skip 41, and the right side we skip 25. So we're gonna begin from 31 times 5 plus 35 times 5 plus 43 times 5 plus 47 times 5 plus 45 times 5 plus 41 times 5, and we will get 1,210 feet. So what can we say about this is that the distance for the car travel from 0 to 30 seconds is between the two number, between these two numbers. And of course, to be more accurate, we should record the velocity every maybe 2 seconds or maybe even 1 second.